G'day viewers, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today you find me at Greenway for the Cars Under the Stars event. One of the best ones of the month. And it's gonna be jam-packed, this one. For sure, the last three have been full. Car park full, having to send people away. And I believe that it's gonna be again the same today. So grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video as we film the cars rolling in from Car Park 1. This will be part 1 video. Is that John over there? Mr. John! How we doing, lad? Mr. Sasha! Yes, sir! Earlier and earlier. The beautiful SS. Chevelle over there. Magic GT over there. The Magic SS. Sasha with his CSP. How are you, lad? Got some beautiful blue XY GT looking sick. And Mr. Matt.
How you going, George?
How you going, lad? Welcome back on the channel.
Yeah, about time.
How we going, lads? All good? Cars looking immaculate, brother. Sick. Big motor top load, that's all over. Yes, sir. And there's Jason's beautiful GT. This car we've done a feature on. We've done a feature on this car. Those two have been done at the Summer Nats. We've done that one on the road, and we've done that one, Summer Nats. And this year will be Summer Nats once again. Beasts are coming in early, like I said. It's only 5:03. And everybody's already here. How are you, lad? And here comes the Mustang crew. Bit of a bark happening. Yes, sir. Oh, yes. Sasha, welcome back to the channel, brother. How are you?
Is it a hot one today?
Mate, it's way too hot. And I came earlier, and lucky I caught you guys.
Lucky.
Because I'm usually here at 5:15.
We're early this time.
Make sure you get a mad spot, eh?
Exactly.
Because they do get packed out here.
Very quickly.
Yeah. Anyway, lads, I'll see you after. The cars that are already here. These, and we'll get out there and film the rest that are coming in. Check out this magic panel van, ladies and gents. A beautiful GTS. A magic orange colour, shining like a star. And of course this beautiful Fairlane. Nice, beautiful brown colour. Zooming down there to save the screen is walking.
Alright.
And what else have we got? That's 3 pieces down there. And then all the Stingrays together, looking sweet. Lovely Corvettes. All, how we going? All good?
How are you?
That's the way. Got your nice spots already.
Yep.
Lovely shade for the heat. Yep. Too good.
Nice cold
The nice icy cold beer, that's the way.
Georgie!
How we go, lad? Oh, check out the EB Falcon GT, ladies and gents. What a beauty.
Hey mate.
How we going? All good?
Darling mate.
This is nice, lads. Have a little look. Just here, the grey. Nice interior. Yes, sir. When these came out, I wanted one. Like the little scoops on the bonnet. They look sick. Anyway, let's get out to the front and get some of these cars rolling in. As we have this magic purple XR8. Yes, sir. And another lovely XEESP. Shit. Nice Psycho Mobile. Yes, indeed. Check out the 7 litre badge. Yes, sir. How we going? And the F6 in the white. Looking fully making. How are you, lad? Fully immaculate. How we going, lads? All good? Check out the beast, ladies and gents. Nice. Oh, check out the Valiant. The Safari wagon. Fully immaculate. Look at that. Let's get over to the front. How we going, lads?
We didn't realise it's got its sliders on.
G'day everybody,
Mr.
got the
GT.
photographers in position. Beasts are already rolling in.
How you doing, mate?
How are you, lad?
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you, my
Same
brother.
to you, my brother.
How you doing, bro?
Pretty good, brother.
How you feeling?
You?
All good? All right, where have you been? I haven't seen you. Why'd you come from Flemington?
Oh, check out the cooler, ladies and gents.
Not bad.
What a beauty. Love the colour scheme on that. Yes, sir. Okay, so it is very, very hot. That is the sort of clouds, hardly anything that we're dealing with. I'm going to try and get this bit of shape here. Let's have a look. Does it cover my head? See, my head is just there. Alright, GT, yes sir. Full immaculate. The hot rod. The Magic Corvette. This is Commodore. Oh, the Kia Stinger GT, how are you, lad? Lock gun, beautiful. She's going to be packed today. And another Corvette in the white. Fully immaculate. And we have a Mustang rolling in the black and red combo. Immaculate beasts. Got an Audi that didn't look like it was going to come in here, but then took a left turn last minute. Oh, actually, it's not coming in here. A little Honda. Nice and tough. Greenway, ladies and gents. 318.
Bill, what are you doing, mate?
Full immaculate. Check out the little Rodeo. Here comes some crazy beasts. The Monaro. And the Datsun Ute. And 2 more Monaros, looking sweet. There's a tough boy. red colour combos. The red one, the blue one, and the green one. Looking sweet. How we going? All good? Check out the Chrysler. Yes, sir. Looking sick in that orange. Beautiful. Check out the 63 Ute, Holden, panel van, utility, yeah, I said Ute. I think the heat's getting to my head. Gonna hear me say a lot of mistakes, and not because I don't know the cars, because it's just gonna come out like that. Yes sir, bit of power there. It's R6, right to follow. Look at the lovely GTP. Love the colours on that. UT full. Check it out. The regular cars still haven't learnt. They're not allowed in here. When Cars Under the Stars have the event. Yes sir. Look at the SRT, ladies and gents. It's a wagon. It's actually a Chrysler wagon. Here comes a Chevy 55 model. Belair, that's one sick beast, listen to that. Ground pounder. This way, brother. This way. The Plymouth. And the F6. Sounding nice and tough. The Holden. XY. GS. Got the Valiant and the XR Ute. Looking sick. And over on the other side, got the green Commodore Ute and a lovely Holden Kingswood over there. Sounding nice and sweet, these cars. Nice cams in them. A nice idle. Check out the Fremont gear in the silver, looking sweet. Nice. Comes another row of beasts. Okay, this is one beautiful beast I haven't seen, this Ute before. Very nice. Well, I thought the others, I thought they were beasts too, but they're not. The red and the blue put me off. Oh well, the Honda Accord kind of is. Check out that Tuff Ford across with that beautiful maroon and gold. Full immaculate. The Ford G6E and the GDSR, yes indeed, in that tough yellow colour, which is the colour that they came out in. Comes a Chevy Lowrider, yes indeed. Got a bit of a setup in that sound system. You hear the woofers and the tweeters. Lovely Caprice. Tough sounding ute. It's probably working. Not coming into the show. Caprice is full immaculate. Comes another lovely Commodore Challenger. Check out this panel van, SS Commodore the Firebird. Sweet.
Sharon's on the way here.
Tirana SLR 5000. Love the colours on it. The red and the black, beautiful. Oh, here comes a Dick Johnson special XE Bathurst Ford Beast. Green's Tuff Dick Johnson special. Yes, sirree. Nice and lumpy sounding. Check out the Sandman ute. The Sandman panel van. Check out that Kia, bit of a done up model, not sure what that one is, but it's got some big calipers on it. So obviously a sporty edition of Kia. The Sunbird Holden, yes indeed. Nice hot rod in the blue, straight through. Tuff Monaro, yes indeed. You're right. Time to move to the other side. The shop over here is playing music. They're stuffing me up.
Grab the Mazda and all that behind. They won't be coming in.
Check out the Tuff panel van. Yes, sirree. Nice. Another Sandman special. Couple of hot rods coming in, and I think there's another one just on this side. Yes, sir. 3 rolling in at the same time. Green one? Looks like they're the same model. That green one's sounding very, very tough. The Firebird convertible looking sick. The Commodore coming in on the other side there. The HSV, yes indeed, in the white. Good stuff. This bloke over here is just trying to get in, trying to push his way in. I'm not listening to nobody. I do what I want, he says. Sure, he. Check out this lovely Ford, ladies and gents. Got a front mount intercooler, so I'd say it's an XR6, and she is, even though it's got an XR8 bonnet. Yes, sir. Here comes a fast boomer. Something red's over there on the other side. Is it worth filming? And yes, it is. It's a lovely Mustang coming through. And a nice standout red colour. Did catch my eye from far away, even though I'm 4 eyes. She sounds good too. And of course another Beamer on this side, rolling in the standout shiny black colour. Shining like a star for cars under the stars. Yes, sir. Oh, listen to this Muzzy. As I said earlier, got a couple of bikes dressed in Christmas. And one tough looking SS Commodore VX model. Check it out. Full immaculate. Lowered to the doghouse. Beautiful white gleaming paint. Clean as a fair income beast. Yes, sir. The 57 Chevy. in convertible formation. Looking sweet and cool, even though it's very hot. Yes, sir.
Good. Has Barney spoken to you yet?
No. I know nothing. I know it's going to be a busy night. I know it's going to be a big one. What do you got?
Oh, no, I've got one of my customers.
Give me a heads up and right.
It's an RX3 coming. Yes, sir. Check out the Magic XC. I had to keep my mouth shut for a while there. That RX3 was very, very loud. You wouldn't have heard me.
We've got something yellow up there too.
Cortina.
Back him up.
Full immaculate. Yes,
Right,
sir.
man. We're watching.
And of course, the Tuff Holden. What a beast. Convertible Mustang. And the Chevy convertible. Impala with a chop roof, looking sick.
Again, cheeky.
Here comes one Tuff XE. A very tough idle. Sounding sick. Check out the Holder panel van with a letterbox on the front. Looking sweet.
There's a Medusa.
Yes, sir. XR4. Yeah. So that's what I'm waiting for. As soon as this one gets full, we go to the other side.
Here we go, Porsche coming, possible.
Oh, here comes one Tuff Porsche. G23, oh mate, he fooled us all. I thought it was going to go straight. He took a last minute left turner to come into the show. Alright lads, check out the real Calais, full immaculate. Yes sir.
Almost little.
Check out the VY.
Hey, watch out!
VY Commodore with the nice beastie lumpy sound. Nice V8 under the bonnet. Should be an SS this one. There's V8 actually. Got a couple more beasts there that caught my eye. The Mini. Nope. Check out the lovely green XR6 Turbo front mount intercooler. No mucking around. Yes, the Bel Air Lowrider. Maybe give us a bit of a show. Yes sir, that's it. Get the suspension working, son. Mrs. Visit Mitsubishi Evo. And one AMG in the white, over on the other side. We've got the Tuff Dano. Oh, the Tuff Nissan Turbo Diesel. AMG C63 in coupe formation. One Tuff bike. '61 Holden. Full immaculate. Got the bike. Got the XA Fairmont. Lowered to the doghouse. Got a few scoops on the bonnet there. And the shaker as well. No mucking around the young lad. A fair dinkum Aussie beast. Sounding tough as well. Subaru Impreza WRX STI Scooby. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Big ass one Rex. Liberty.
Watch out for this bar.
Okay, so the Psycho Mustang.
Just try the next left, not this one.
And the blue one, yes sir. Sounding nice and tough.
I'll be upset.
Check out this lovely boost with the blue and black combo.
You reckon he's slow car enough? I mean, mine wasn't, it was slammed. Come on, mine was slammed.
Yes sir. A great workhorse. In immaculate
How
condition.
many we got?
Down to you now.
The Volkswagen Golf. And we've got a WRX. And another Kia Stinger GT in the orange looking sweet. So there's the Rixie and then the matte green Bel Air Chevy. And another tough panel van behind it, a Holden. Yes sirree. So I think this car park is just about done. I think it's full.
Come on.
Check out that little ute on the other side there, looking sweet. I think these guys are all going to go on the other side and we're going to have to race over and get them. Part 2 video going to come up. We end it here, part 1. Yes, sir. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. This car park is now full. So we're going to go film the other car park, the cars rolling in. That'll be part 2. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for the support. See you all in the next one. Bye for now.